Hi! Hello everyone! It's me again, Mariel, and welcome to my channel. So in this video, this is just a continuation of the first part. And yung first part natin is discuss ko doon yung all about the three trigonometric ratios, which is the SOH CAH TOA. And remember, the SOH CAH TOA is just a mnemonic device wherein ibinigay lang siya sa atin, able for us to remember the formula that we are going to use, enable for us to find the missing parts and the missing angles of a right triangle. So, recommend ko muna sa inyo yung first part, ilalagay ko dito sa taas, or ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa description box below. Kailangan nyo munang panoorin yung una nating video about the SOH CAH TOA before kayo mag-proceed dito sa second part. Okay? So, yun na nga, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, syempre, wag mo muna kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like itong video, and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below. Enable for you to get updated sa mga bago kong math tutorials. So, yun na nga. And of course, si Ma'am Mariel po ay gumagawa ng mga math tutorial videos. Ina-upload ko siya dito sa ating YouTube channel. And, pwede nyo siyang i-share sa inyong mga friends, classmates, and mga pinsan, kaibigan. And maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. So yun na nga, wag na nating patagalin, simulan na natin ang pag-aaral. So balik-aral from the first part of this video, the three trigonometric ratios. Remember, meron din tayong tatlong formula and binigyan tayo ng mnemonic, which is the SOH CAH TOA, enable for us to easily remember the formula that we are going to use in a right triangle. So what do you mean by SOH, or the sine theta? So the sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? And then the CAH, which is the cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, right? And then next is the tan, or the tangent. Tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, yun yung ating SOH CAH TOA. Okay, so take a look at this right triangle. We have triangle SUM. We have the sides of a right triangle. Side S, side U, and side M. Angle S, angle U, and angle M. Okay? So, dito sa taas, meron tayong SOH CAH TOA, which is, yan yung ating gagawing formula. Tama? So, as you can see dito sa ating right triangle, we have the given angle, which is angle M as 53 degree. Alright? So, yan yung tinatawag nating angle theta. Okay? So, ang theta is ganito yung sign niya. Yan. It's angle theta. Using SOH CAH TOA, palagi tayong may given na angle theta. Okay? And then, as you can see, etong side na to lamang yung merong label, which is U is equal to 15. And as you can see, yung mga walang label, yung hahanapin natin. We have side M, side S, angle S. Si angle U, automatically, ito ay measures 90 degree. Remember, a right angle measures 90 degree. Alright? So, tatlo lamang yung hahanapin natin. So, dahil nga ang given natin ay CU, and paano mo ba i-identify yung sides of a right triangle? Diba, using the angle theta? Wherein, kung nasaan si angle theta, doon ka magbabase. Like for example, si side S is adjacent to angle M. Tama? Katabi kasi siya nitong angle M natin. So, this is the adjacent side. And then next, ang katapat ni angle M, ito, ayan, katapat is si side M. Therefore, this is the opposite side of this right triangle. And remember, doon sa part 1 natin, itinuro ko sa inyo kung paano i-identify ang mga sides, kung ano ba ang tawag sa mga sides of a right triangle. And the longest leg is the hypotenuse. So, therefore, ito yung given ng hypotenuse natin. U is equal to 15. Alright? So, what are we going to do first is, hanapin muna natin maalin dito sa dalawa. So, syempre, unahin natin si S. Okay? Si S ay adjacent ni angle theta, tama? And then, CU ay hypotenuse. Doon, malalaman mo kung anong formulang gagamitin natin. Ayan. Look at this. SOH CAH TOA. Si S ay adjacent, therefore that is A. And CU is hypotenuse, and that is H. Hanapin mo sa SOH CAH TOA yung merong A at saka H, yung magkasama silang dalawa. Okay, as you can see, dito sila magkasama kay cosine, kay K. So therefore, ito yung formula natin na gagamitin. Si K is cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, by that, alam na natin kaagad yung formula using SOH CAH TOA. Doon kasi sa part 1, inibinigay ko yung mga formulas which is ang haba talaga niya. So kung wala si SOH CAH TOA, medyo nakakalito talaga siyang kabisaduhin yung formula or i-memorize. So we have the cosine theta. Siyempre, ang ating cosine theta is, ano ba ang angle theta natin? Yung palaging given na angle sa right triangle, yun yung angle theta natin. Ito si angle M. Tama? So, we have cosine M is equal to adjacent. Ano ba ang ating adjacent? S. Tama? Kasi siya yung katabi ni angle theta natin. Remember, ulitin ko, kay angle theta palagi magbabase para malaman mo yung tawag sa mga sides ng right triangle. Si hypotenuse lang yung hindi nagbabago. Okay? Si adjacent tsaka opposite, nagbabago sila ng position based dito sa angle theta. Alright? So, we have the adjacent as S and hypotenuse as U. Okay? And then, after that, syempre, isubstitute lang natin yung mga given. So, we have the cosine M is equal to 53 degree. Ayan, equal to, ang ating S is syempre wala kasi siya yung hahanapin natin. And ang ating U is equal to 15. Okay? Then, right after that, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan is to cross multiply. Automatically, magkakaroon dito ng over 1. So, cross multiply. So, si 15 times cosine 53 magiging 15 cosine 53 degree equal to 1 times S is S. Okay? And then, right after that, dito, kailangan mo ng calculator. And isa-share ko sa inyo yung calculator na ginagamit ko. Ayan, pa-flash ko na lang sa screen. Yan yung calculator na ginagamit ko. Very handy kasi nasa phone lang siya. And pwede nyo siyang i-download sa Play Store. Okay? So, 15 cosine 53, papakita ko kung paano isinusolve. Ayan, nandyan lang sa screen. Ayan. And then, we've come off with the answer as 9.03. So, yan na yung ating side S, 9.03. Ito siya. And then, nahanap na natin si S. Ngayon naman, let's find M. Assume naman natin na hindi pa natin nahanap si side S. And itong M yung una natin hahanapin. Okay? So, based on the angle theta given, ano ba si M or si side M? Si side M is opposite ni angle theta. Opposite, tama? And then, ano ba yung given natin? Kunyari, wala pa to si S. Ang given natin is si U. Siya lang kasi yung may label. And siya is the hypotenuse. Therefore, we have OH. OH, hahanapin kasi natin si M, tama? And right after that, hanapin nyo naman doon sa SOH CAH TOA. Alin ba dyan yung may magkasamang O and H or opposite and hypotenuse? Diba ito si sine? So, by that, yun na yung gagamitin mo na formula. So, we have sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? Okay. Then, right after that, si sine theta mo is M. And ang ating opposite ay si M over U. Kasi yan si hypotenuse natin. Sine M, opposite over hypotenuse. And then, sine 53 degree is equal to M over, ang ating U is 15. Tama? So, yun na. Wala pang given si M, kaya ilalagay lang muna natin. Tama? Siya kasi yung hahanapin natin. And then, right after that, kapag ganito yung situation, nandito sa denominator ang ating given, gagamit tayo ng cross multiplication. Okay? So, 1 times M is equal to M, and 15 times sine 53, 15 sine 53 degree. Okay? So, palagi gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator. Ipapakita ko ulit sa screen kung paano siya sinusolve. So, 15 sine 53 is equal to 11.98. So, yan na yung answer natin. So, si side M is 11.98. Okay? Si S is 9.3. Si U is 15. Okay? So, as you can see, mas malaki pa din itong hypotenuse kasi sa hypotenuse in a right triangle is the longest leg. And now, hanapin naman natin si angle S. Angle S is missing. Hindi pa natin alam yung measurement niya. While si angle theta is 53 degree. Given kasi yon. And automatically, itong angle na to is 90 degree. Tama? Kasi this angle is a right angle. Okay? So, ang measurement ng buong triangle is equal to 180 degree. Kung ito ay 90 degree, kasi right angle to, therefore, ang total ng dalawang to is equal to 90 degree. Tama? Kasi we have 90 plus 90. Itong dalawang to is equal to 90 is equal to 180. Tama? Okay. So, what are we going to do in able for us to find angle S is, of course, we have measurement of angle M plus measurement of angle S is equal to 90 degree. Okay? Kapag pinagsama mo yung measurement ng dalawang to, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay? Hindi na natin to papakialaman. Itong si angle U. Kasi siya ay right angle na. 90 degree na siya. So, we have 53, si angle M natin, plus measurement of angle S, kasi di pa natin siya alam, equal to 90 degree. Okay? Next is measurement of angle S is equal to 90, transpose lang si 53, it will become negative 53 degree. So, we have measurement of angle S is equal to 37 degree. Okay? So, let us check. Remember, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, 90 plus 53 plus 37 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so take a look at this another example. We have the right triangle pi or PIE, and then our given is angle I, which is 67 degree, and side I, which is 10.6. What are we going to find is side E and side P. So first, kailangan muna nating alamin kung ano ba ang tawag doon sa side na given. And then, doon sa first nating hahanapin. So, unahin natin si side E. We're going to find for side E. So, ang ating angle theta is angle I. And si side E is katabi ni angle I. Therefore, side E is adjacent to angle I. Tama? Adjacent. And then, meron na tayong A. And the next, focus ka naman doon sa side na given. We have the side given, which is 10.6. And si 10.6 or si side I is opposite. Ayan, no, katapat ni angle theta. Therefore, si angle I is opposite. Right? So, adjacent, opposite. And right after that, hanapin mo sa SOH CAH TOA kung ano yung merong adjacent opposite na magkasama. O and A. So, we have TOA. Right? So, therefore, tangent theta ang ating gagamitin para sa ating formula is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay? And then next is, substitute lang natin yung mga value na nasa right triangle. Okay? Sundan lang natin yung formula palagi. We have the tan I or tangent theta is equal to opposite. Ano ba ang ating opposite? This one, right? I, small I. And then, adjacent natin is E. Okay, so substitute lang the value. We have tan 67 degree is equal to I, which is 10.6. And, dahil nga wala pa tayong value kay E, and siya yung hahanapin natin, copy lang natin yan. Okay? Then, nung kaninang example natin, ang ginagawa natin is cross multiply. Right? So, ngayon is cross multiply pa rin. So, we have over 1 in here. Automatic yon. And then, cross multiply. E times tan 67 degree is E tan 67 degree or E tangent 67 degree is equal to 10.6, right? And then, dahil nga si E yung ating hanapin and kasama niya si tangent 67 degree, what are we going to do is to eliminate tangent 67 degree. How? By simply dividing both sides doon sa aalisin natin. Alin ba yung aalisin natin? Kailangan kasi si E lang yung matira. So, si tangent 67. So, i-divide natin sila both sides by tangent 67 degree. Okay, then right after that, of course, cancel, and then, ayan, si E na lang natira. And then, ang gagawin mo naman dito is 10.6 over tangent 67 degree. Siyempre, gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator. Ipa-flash ko sa screen kung paano natin ginawa ang pagsasolve nitong 10.6 over or divided by tangent 67 degree. And we've come up with the answer as 4.49. So, yan na yung ating side E. Okay? Ang side E natin is 4.49. And then next is, dahil nga nahanap na natin si side E, dito na tayo kay side P. Okay? Assume ulit natin na hindi pa natin nahanap si side E. Kasi ang gagamitin ulit natin given is itong si side I. Pero pwede na din natin gamitin si side E. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano. Kapag ginamit nyo si side I, di ba, ito ay opposite kay angle I, angle theta, and si P naman ay hypotenuse. So, therefore, ang gagamitin mo dyan is OH. Nasaan ba si OH? Opposite hypotenuse. Etong si SO. Okay? Pero, kung gusto mo namang gamitin si side E, kunin mo lang ulit kung ano bang tawag sa kanya. Si side E ay katabi ni I, or ni angle theta. Therefore, adjacent, and si P ay hypotenuse. So, adjacent, hypotenuse, pwede mong gamitin si K. Kung gagamitin mo yung nakuha natin na E, right? Pero same lang naman sila. So, ngayon is, ito muna yung gamitin natin. We have opposite and hypotenuse. Kasi si P na yung hanapin natin kanina, E. Ngayon, P. Ang given natin is I equals 10.6 and I is opposite. Si P ay hypotenuse. Tingin ulit tayo sa SOH CAH TOA. Nasaan dito yung may opposite and hypotenuse? Diba? Itong si SO. So, therefore, siya na yung gagamitin natin. So, we have sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Kailangan kung ano yung hanapin nyo, makikita doon sa formula na gagamitin natin. Right? So, sin I or sin angle theta, sin theta. So, sin theta is equal to opposite. Ano ba ang ating opposite? I over P. Kasi sa hypotenuse natin is si P, right? And then, we have sin 67 degree equal to 10.6 yung value ni I over P. Then, right after that, cross multiply. So, P times sin 67 is equal to P sin 67 degree. And then, 1 times 10.6 is 10.6. And then, of course, kagaya ulit ng kanina, dahil nga kailangan nating mahanap ay si P lang, and may kasama siyang sin 67 degrees, so what are we going to do is to eliminate by dividing both sides to sin 67 degree. Kasi siya yung i-eliminate natin. So, cancel. And then, P is equal to, okay, ipa-flash ko na lang ulit sa screen kung paano natin na-solve sa scientific calculator. Anyway, pwede nyo siyang i-download sa Play Store. So, we have 10.6 over sin 67 degree. So, dito sa calculator natin is meron na siyang built-in na pang-fraction talaga. Kaya, madali lang siyang gamitin. And, we've come up with the answer as 11.52. So, yan na yung ating P. Okay? So, napakadali lang, di ba? Susundan nyo lang yung parts of a right triangle. Dapat alam yung opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Susundin nyo lang din yung ating SOH CAH TOA, right?